Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Learn Think Right. We have already started with HTML and we are moving forward with the same. In this video, we will be first seeing the attributes of tag body. Now, if suppose I want to have some background color, okay, I will do it with the help of the BG color attribute. Then next, you can set the color of the text with the help of attribute text. If suppose I want to set attribute of text as yellow and the background color as red. Now I'll type here something, suppose hello. Let us run the program. So you can see the background as red and the text as yellow. Now next is the paragraph, which offers a way to structure your text. Okay, suppose you want to display the text in the form of paragraph, you will use the tag p. Okay, I'll show you how to use tag p. So you have to write p for paragraph, and whatever you are writing inside the p tag will be displayed as a paragraph. So I'll randomly type some text over here. That's all. So this is the p tag, that is paragraph. Let us see the output. Okay, you are looking, it is in the form of paragraph. Now next, if suppose in between you want the breaks, okay, line breaks, so then you have to use the tag br. Okay, and br is not having opening tag, it's only a closing tag. Let us see the example of this. Here in somewhere middle I want to break the line. So how to write that? Simply with the help of br tag. Let us see the output. Okay, as you can see here, in between we have got a line break, and from the next line the text is getting continued. So this was about the today's tutorial, the attributes of tag body. These are basic attributes, few more are there, we'll see them in future. The paragraph tag and the br tag. Hope to see in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel. Thank you.